The best high limit credit cards of 2023. Hey everyone, welcome back to another guide video. In today's video, I'll provide you 7 best high limit credit cards you can get in 2023. So make sure you stick with us till the end to know more about credit cards and the best high limit credit cards. So without any further delay, let's begin. So the first card we are going to talk about is the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. Now this is the best one for premium travel. Now it has a minimum limit of $10,000, which is plenty. So if you own a Chase Sapphire Reserve card, new card holders can earn 80,000 bonus points after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months after their accounts open, and points are worth 50% more when redeemed for travel through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. Plus, the cardholders also get a $300 annual travel credit. Now, this card comes with a $550 annual fee, but there are numerous other valuable perks that can help cover up the cost. So the second card we are going to talk about is the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. Now this is the best card for entry level travel and it has a minimum limit of $5,000. Now even if this card doesn't have a super high limit, you can still get value out of the card's impressive rewards. New card holders can earn 60,000 bonus points when they spend just $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months after their accounts open. Now, according to Credit Karma point valuation, the bonus can be worth of $1,308 and redeemed with a travel transfer partner. Now, this card has an annual fee of $95. Now, the third card we are going to talk about is the Citi Double Cash card. Now, this is the card which is best for simple cashback. So, it has a minimum limit of $500. Now, no matter what your credit limit, the Citi Double Cash card offers straightforward rewards with the ability to earn 2% back on all purchases, 1% when you use the card, and 1% when you pay your bills. And remember, this card has a $0 annual fee, meaning this is free. Now, the fourth card we are going to talk about is again going to be the Chase card. It is the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. Now, this is the card which is best for bonus cashbacks. Now, this has a minimum limit of $500. So, beyond these minimum limits, this card offers plenty of opportunities to earn cashback. You can earn 5% back on travel booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% back on dining at restaurants and drugstore purchases, and 1.5% on all other purchases. Again, remember that this card also comes with a $0 annual fee that won't cut into your earnings. Now, the fifth card we are going to be talk about is Petal 2 Visa Credit Card. Now this card is the best one for building credit. Now, so if you have a low credit, maybe this is the card for you. Now this card has a minimum limit of around $300 to $10,000 limit. So if you are approved, this card offers the ability to build credit even without paying any fees, apart from any interest that may add up if you carry a balance. You can also earn cash back. All card holders earn at least 1% back on all eligible purchases, and the rate could go as high as 1.5% after making 12 on time payments. Now, the sixth card we are going to talk about is the US Bank Secured Visa card. Now, this is the card which is best for rebuilding credits. Now, this has a limit of from $300 to $5,000. So, while the higher end of the range might not make sense for everyone looking to build credit, that high limit at least provides flexibility if you are able to pay the deposit. This card doesn't offer many extra features, but it doesn't charge an annual fee and you will be able to choose your payment due date. Now, the seventh and last card I'm going to talk about is the Discover It Student Cashback card. Now, this is the best cards for students and it has a $500 minimum limit. Now, those students who get approved for the Discover It Student Cashback can look forward to plenty of great features. So the card has a $0 annual fee and offers 5% cashback up to $1,500 spent on purchases in quarterly rotating categories that must be activated. All other purchases earn 1% back. Additionally, the Discover It Student Cash Card waives the late fee on your first missed payment. So those were the 7 best high limit credit cards you can get in 2023. Hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on helpful guides such as these in the future.